This is my quick and easy version of a cassoulet with Toulouse sausage, Polish sausage, and spec bacon, and I'm not going to share it with anyone. Oh, now, before I start cooking, I want to talk to you about my Noir collection, which is my favorite pan to cook with at the moment. What's good about it, it's cast iron, but it's a finished, polished cast iron. You get even cooking, it's non-stick, and it's beautiful just like me. Now, cassoulet is a classic traditional dish from Toulouse in south of France. This is a little cheap cassoulet, it's not traditional, so I'm using white beans in a can, and I'm using some beautiful sausages. Have fun with your sausage choice. A little bit of the Polish sausage and some steak bacon. And all those three protein is going to be absolutely delicious in those beans. What you want is that beautiful caramelization. Really brings a lot of flavor. Now, if you don't want to use speck, it's okay. Bacon will do the trick. Now, because you asked for it, we're extending our collection of classic cast iron. We've got those beautiful little frying pan and the second size here, which is gorgeous too. What I love about this is you can fry with it, you can slam it in the oven, and you can even serve with it. And it's exactly what we're gonna do today. This is a dish, again, for the whole family. It's not even about the meat, it's about those white beans stewing with a couple of vegetables and the saltiness of those beautiful meats. And of course the crayon is to put the breadcrumbs over the top of the cassoulet before you put it in the oven so you get a nice good crunch. Looks good. This little cheat cassoulet is great for lunch or dinner, but if you put an egg on it, it's even better for breakfast. Bon appétit. Stop it. I'm so good. Stop.